Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to stream mobile games on TikTok. So first of all, just go ahead to your app store, Google Play. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead to my TikTok right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just double check if my TikTok app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. And as you can see, my TikTok needs to be updated. So I'm gonna update it, and I'm gonna quick demonstrate how it's done. So as you can see right here, this is my browser, and basically how do you live stream on a game on TikTok. First of all, open your TikTok, and below your profile icon, select the live center, and then select the live room from the live center. You will notice that the stream key at the bottom of the screen, if you don't see it there, you don't have a key. Keep in mind that the stream key changes each time you go live. So basically, if you want to stream TikTok gaming through your phone, just go ahead and open up like you're posting a new video or video on TikTok. Just go ahead and you're gonna be able to see video, photo option, and live option. So select the live option. If you don't have it, unfortunately for now you won't have it, because you have followers under that 10k, so you need to have 10k and up so you can have that feature and stream your gaming live stream. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media. See you.